Welcome to the Feelings Festival, a magical place where we learn all about emotions and how to express them in healthy ways. Let's explore. This is the happy zone. When we feel happy, we smile, laugh, and share our joy with others. Look at Sunny. He's feeling so happy, he's glowing. When you feel happy, it's okay to dance, sing, or tell someone why you're smiling. Over here is the sad meadow. Sometimes we feel sad, and that's okay. Willow feels sad today, but she knows it's important to talk about her feelings. When you feel sad, it's okay to cry, talk to someone, or ask for a hug. Uh-oh, this is the angry volcano. Rocky feels angry right now, but he knows how to calm down. Let's watch. When you feel angry, take deep breaths, count to 3, or take a break. It helps you feel calm again. Look at Bouncy in the excited playground. When we feel excited, we might jump, clap, or cheer. Bouncy is so excited she can't stop hopping. When you feel excited, it's okay to share your excitement with others. Just remember to use your inside voice when you need to. At the Feelings Festival, we learn that all emotions are important. Whether you're happy, sad, angry, or excited, it's okay to feel how you feel. Just remember to express your emotions in healthy ways. Thanks for visiting the Feelings Festival. See you next time.